is beautiful. Where are we at, Jeff?
We are at Bear Lake, the very northern tip of Utah. And very shortly we'll be entering Idaho here. We're out for just a quick little adventure. This is a spontaneous trip for us. We've never been up here before. But we've heard lots of great things about Bear Lake and wanted to bring you along. And it's pretty funny. We literally just got this idea.
There's a sign.
We just got this idea totally last minute to just come up here and threw some clothes into the van, grabbed some food, and just headed north. And without a plan, without any reservations or anything. And of course, it's off season right now. We're at the end of October, so it's we got this place all to ourselves. But it just kind of reminded me that, you know, we're 3 years into our van now, and just made me think about, you know, when we first got it, this being our first RV, you know, reserving campgrounds and planning ahead and all of that. And for the first couple of months, that's what we did, is we'd look up a campground, see if they had a spot, book it, pay our fee, come out. And then one of the greatest things about having this van is realizing we don't have to do that. We'd be at a campground and be looking around going, we stayed here this week, the whole weekend. We didn't use their shower. We didn't use their crusty table. We bring our own table. We didn't use their bathrooms. For the fire pit, we got a solo stove that we prefer to use. And then realizing that, you know, the whole van life is all about boondocking. So, like I said, we're coming out here for the first time. We literally didn't even do any Google searches or anything. We just hit the road, and I'm sure we'll find some dispersed camping sites, maybe a campground. I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. So come along with us. Like I said, this is our first time out. I think we're gonna just cruise around the lake, find a spot to have some dinner. Glad you're along and enjoy the trip, and we'll show you some of the highlights of our quick trip up here to Bear Lake.
Woo. There's Maisie.
Well, good morning, everybody. We woke up to cool and rainy morning up here. We're just now west of Bear Lake. There's the van in the distance. We're out on some BLM land, just west of a town called Fish Haven. God, I love these fall colors. Maisie's enjoying all the smells out here, roaming around. Where is she? There she is. Yeah, so this is Fish Haven Canyon Road that goes back up further in the forest. Sure, there's lots to discover out there, but fortunately time doesn't permit it today. But we're going to take you now down towards Logan, and we'll see what that brings us, so stick along. Ooh, it's beautiful. Listen to that creek. All right, let's go.
How are you doing, Maisie? How are you doing? Are you enjoying the ride? Love you, girl. She loves to look over Jeff's shoulder. Oh, there she goes. Maisie.